Welcome back, guys. I'm Randy. This is Show-Me Tint, and we're doing stuff. We're wrapping cars today. I always say Santa's not the only one wrapping. So we're wrapping cars, and we're wrapping that Tesla I showed you. This is that midnight gold, and this color is hot. This color is in person. I don't know if you're picking it up on camera, but it's hot. I mean, this is hot. It's very hot. And I think I'm gonna wrap my TRX in it. I actually had this color picked out for me, and I wasn't telling anybody about it. And this guy wanted something cool and sick, and I was like, bro, this is your color. And he's like, schedule me right now. Here's my money. And I was like, all right, let's go. And so here we are. He's got my color on, and I'm looking at it being very jealous. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to my truck later. But right now we're looking at the Tesla. So this is the Model X. It's coming around. Really pay attention to how much gloss this vinyl has. If you didn't really think that this was like a vinyl, you'd be like, this is some sick ass paint. You know what I mean? So that's the way we put it on. But a quality product like Enzotech helps because it makes the wrap look painted. Also, Nick kills it. Look at the way he wraps all the way to the body moldings. I love this stuff. I love taking installations to the next level. I love getting in there, doing all the work, all the prep work that makes it solid. People skip that stuff all the time. You can get a wrap for way cheaper here in town, but it won't be as good. So we put it on right. And it is hot. Like, look, it's hot. And it's gonna be way hot when it's done. So I can't wait to get it all together for you and get it all. I'm gonna pop the doors open again, make it all super sexy. Right now it looks like it got in a wreck. The first one of these we took off, we were so nervous. We're like, we're gonna mess up the Tesla, you know, and do a bunch of research, learn how to take it off correctly. Sometimes you gotta buy new clips for these flares. It's all in the work, man. That's what you pay for. When you get it together, you're like, dang, this looks good. But everybody always asks me, can you do it faster? No, can't do it faster. I take my time, slow. Make sure you tune in and check it out and you see the progress. That's what I tell them. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You get to see all the cool stuff. I love the way this looks. You guys probably saw the video of us tinting this. It was super cool. When we get this all done, I'll give you a quick walk around. You'll get to see this color in action. And then I guarantee you, you're gonna see this color again on my truck, because I'm not gonna let this guy have this all by himself. I gotta have it. And if you come up here and check it out, you'll wanna have it too. So get on down here to Show-Me Tint. We're gonna run over to the tint shop real quick. I've got Ramon down there doing some wrap on a Navigator. It's pretty sexy. I think you're gonna love it. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, we're down at the tint shop, and I wanted to just show you what everybody's doing. These are my boys down here. There. Andre's working on a Corvette. He's doing a little tint. Tint's our bread and butter. We do it all year long. I like this car for some reason. Not because I have a black V06, but whatever. This Stingray's just as nice. This is a good buddy of mine. He's doing a full tint on this, I think. Yeah, full tint.
With the windshield.
With the windshield, you gotta do that, you know. Black it out. Hunter's over there with his little, you getting ready for Valentine's Day, Hunter? That heart looks pretty. Yeah, dude. Isn't that like out to your ex-girlfriend, tell you love her or something?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm just checking. Oh, you're hot. You look so hot with that. All right, let's go see what Ramon's got going on over here. Ramon, what are you doing today? A little chrome delete, a little half wrap. Don't forget they're doing the taillights too. They're making those black. So they're just getting rid of all the extra colors. So they're getting rid of the chrome. They're getting rid of this roof. Let's see if we can climb up there. Can you imagine tackling a challenge like this by yourself? Most people struggle putting a phone protector thing on. Imagine peeling a piece this big by yourself and that just be your job. You know what I mean? And we love doing it. We love hooking people up, making their stuff look nice. So it's fun to do. It's a good time. It's a good way to get through the winter. We can't wait for summer, huh, Ramon? Right now we'd be thinking about summer and cars and lakes. He's already got this blacked out. He's got these black. These were all chrome before. So once you see it all done, it'll look pretty cool. We're gonna try to figure out how to take these off. I don't know if we can or not. I'm sure they come off. Somebody put them on. We're gonna do like a liquid wrap on those. That's why you see this, the bumper removed. People always ask me why I got so many tools. Because sometimes we gotta take these cars apart to do it right. You'll see all these parts laying over here. This is the roof rails. And then we got that grill. A little bit of that right there. Perfect, like new again. Probably need to add some more parts to it, I imagine, but we'll figure that out later. Maybe something like that. Yeah, there it is. I love it that people trust me to do this to their cars, my guys. And they're killing it. Man, it's hot in here, Ramon. Jeez, if it helped the material, I know, but man, oh my gosh. I'm burning up. I feel like it's summertime in here. This crumble leaf's looking hot. No, it is looking good, dude, for real. I love it. He's gonna like it. Just had a new baby, so he's pimping out his dad ride. So, you know what I mean? You gotta do that every now and then. You gotta keep your swag, even though you got some kids piling up in there. So let me know if you need something hooked up. I'll come down to Show Me Tint and I'll do it for you. Thanks for checking out what we got going on today. Let me know if you have any cool ideas you want to do your cars. Hit me up on here and I'll give you a deal if you hit me up before Christmas. Thanks, guys.